Hi guys, I just finished drying my hair with this powerful Ionic hair dryer and I came here to share with you what I think about this machine and to show you my hair. Look, so beautiful, right? I loved this a lot. The results that I got, it's amazing. My hair, it's with volume, curlies, and my hair is shiny, bright. Look, I'm so in love. This machine is powerful, it's lightweight, works very well. And here we have this LED screen display. I will turn on to show you. Turn on here. This button is to change the temperature. And here we can adjust the speed. Press this button to have some cold air. And that's it. It's a professional hair dryer, and because this, we will have these amazing results in our hair. I love this design, this color. It's elegant and beautiful too. And here we have two more nozzles in two different sizes to stylish our hair too. And other thing that I want to share with you. This part here is magnetic. It's very simple to assemble the pieces here. Disassemble and assemble. Very simple, easy and quick. And it came with this bag to keep this together with the pieces and to find with its access and to protect your machine too.